Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to remove an email account from Gmail on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Gmail in your web browser. Step 2. Click on the circular profile picture or your initials located on the top right corner of the web page. Step 3. Clicking on your profile picture or initials will open a menu that allows you to make changes to your account. Step 4. On the menu, click the gear icon next to Other People. Step 5. A new window will appear, displaying the list of accounts associated with your Gmail. Scroll through the accounts and choose the one you want to remove. Step 6. Hover your pointer over that particular account until 3 dots appear. Step 7. Click the 3 dots and select Delete from the drop-down menu that appears. Step 8. Confirm the request and give your browser some time to process it before the Gmail account is removed. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to remove an email account from Gmail on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.